Hey there, quick review on this Navatiee collapsible portable wagon. I've reviewed a number of these collapsing wagons. This one has some really unique features that set it apart from others. Even though this one might not be as popular, it's got some features that make it superior. Let me show you. First off, just looking around the wagon, the structural tubing that this wagon is made out of all looks really nice. It's nice and sturdy, not skimpy, gonna be plenty strong. Up here on the tongue of the wagon, there's a lot of different designs that I've seen on these. This tongue allows full adjustability. That's going to be key depending on the height of the person that's pulling the wagon. It's really nice to be able to move that up and down. As you can see, the handle pulls out. To collapse it back in, you're just going to push this button and it'll drop right back down. Now, some of you likely may want to use this wagon to haul kids around, and to do that, you need to have a nice section in the bottom that's got some stiffness to it in order to distribute the weight. This folds up, and this is actually what you store the wagon in whenever you're done with it. It also acts as your bottom piece of support for whatever you're hauling. If you're hauling small kids, this is probably going to be fine. Obviously, really heavy kids. It is worth noting the bottom here, it's just got tube steel coming across here. And then this is actually some nice heavy duty mesh netting. So if you end up with some sand or something in here, it'll actually follow through and kind of clean itself out. To collapse it, you've got this handle here. It pulls up and everything will fold into place. Whenever you want to deploy it, just push that down and then push your folding hard bottom in there and you're ready to go. Now, my favorite feature on this wagon that I have not seen on any of the other collapsing wagons that I've reviewed is the ability to remove the wheels. So in the event that you get the wagon a little bit muddy, the wheels are a little bit dirty, you can just pop these wheels out with the click of a button. There's this yellow button on the side here on all of these. The wheel will not come out. Push that button, it drops right out. You can clean them easily if you need to do that. It's a feature I haven't seen on any other collapsible wagons. With these wagons, a lot of times you want to have a storage solution on board for drinks or whatever you want whenever you're using this. This has got a nice size, spacious area with netting on it where you can put a lot of different things in here. One of the interesting things, it does have some adjustability to it. However, you cannot completely remove this. It is permanently installed on the side of the wagon, so you're not going to get it off. Even though it does have these clips on it, it's here to stay. As you see here, storing the unit is pretty simple as well. The floor of the wagon folds up around it, and it's just got a simple Velcro strap that loops through. So deploying the wagon here, just to show you again how easy this is, unfold it. Now, just to demonstrate, after you're done using the wagon, it really deploys and collapses really easily, just like so. Whenever you want to use it, push it out, pop your bottom in, put your storage over the side. You're done with it, we'll put it away. You do have to wrestle it just a little bit to get this partition all the way around it here. As you'll see, kind of just got to squeeze it together. And then it's got this strap on the side that you'll feed through. If you can see this, it's got this metal loop on the side. Get our bottom one here. Fold that over, and now it's all together really nicely. Great to throw in a closet, throw it in a vehicle. And if you need to wash your wheels, you can pop those off and wash them, no problem. Overall, the quality and build of this wagon is just as good as any of the other collapsing wagons I've reviewed. Plus, you get the additional feature of being able to pop the wheels off and clean them if you want it. Makes this a nice value overall. It's a nice price point, good quality. If you're looking for a collapsing wagon, I wouldn't have any problem recommending this one.